We'll see how far we can get. It's wintertime here in Ohio. You can see outside here. Nice. Getting more snow right now. So as you can see, the quarter panels are terrible. Looks like the car was in a wreck and somebody did some weird things. They actually had about an inch of Bondo on top of that, so yeah. So what happened is I cut the quarter out yesterday and they made this quarter out of just angle iron. They just did a big piece of angle into this angle, and then there's another angle here. So for now, I'm gonna finish cutting this angle out. This way the floor and all that is all connected and it's still got stability. I mean, I welded a bar here to keep the gap, but I don't want to get too crazy. And that is a pretty decent floor. It's pretty thick. It's a little oil can, because you can tell where they welded it, but again, I'm replacing all that. So today's chore is to cut this angle out and mark the quarter and cut that out and see if we can't get the quarter that I ordered at least put into place and, you know, sized up. So, and I've got to do the same in the front because the front was a mess also. But that's what we're going to try to do today, or we'll do a little bit of it and I'll shoot another video. But pretty simple. Cutting wheel, cut. All right, so I cut out the angle. Now I took the pan and I stuck it on there, which these are always tricky and are never perfect. So I checked it out, put it on there, closed the door. The gap looks good. It's a little tight on the bottom, but I think once I cut this out and put it back on there, I can move it a little bit. And I'm only gonna cut this line because of the way this pan is set, it's got a recess in it. So it goes underneath that. So I'm gonna cut that out and we'll see where we're at. Here we go. All right, we're here working on the coupe. It's been a while. It's been extremely cold, so I haven't even gotten a chance to get out to the garage. But got a small heater, but nothing major. So this weekend I'm gonna try to work on this quarter piece right here. So what I've done is I've cut the old one out. It's pretty bad. That inner part is really mangled because I don't know what somebody did. That was not me. But I'm gonna fix that when I start doing the inside. I'm not gonna worry about that right this second. So I cut it out, but I kind of messed up when I cut it out. I wish I would have cut it down and kind of rounded it, but I didn't, because that's what the patch panel does. So I've got to do this. I've got the patch panel here, and you see how it has that roundness going up it. So what I've done is I've made a piece to go in here, and I'm gonna weld this in. And this way here, I can grind away these spot welds from the original, and then drill some holes in that and spot weld it on here and fix all this crap. But and then the other plan is to drill holes in the quarter here and spot weld it, the panel on. So that's kind of where I'm at, and fingers crossed it all works out. But I'm no great welder, but we'll see what happens here. You know, you only learn by doing it. So here we go. All right, here we go. As I said, I'm no welder, so this is the start of it. So this is a couple passes already. I'm letting it cool down, but it's coming together pretty nice. Got good penetration. It's my Eastwood 135 MIG. This is a great little welder. I mean, like I said, I'm not no master welder, but it's doing the trick for what I need. So here we go. So far, we'll get let it cool down a little bit, and we'll take some more passes on it, but staying pretty good. Back in a few. Well, all right. So there she is. Not bad. She's all welded up. I'll skim coat it once I get the whole car done, but I put some welds back there just to keep it a little extra strength, but she's all set, ready to go. So tomorrow I made it extra long, so I'll cut it a little thinner to wherever I need it, and then I'll drill some holes so that I can spot weld it onto the car. And then I'm going to drill some holes on the quarter panel so I can spot weld it on. So tomorrow we will attach it, because today it's a little too cold and I'm done. All right, so I've got it attached. It's not finalized yet because I've got some spots here. This metal is really, really thin, so it tends to blow through. So I'm gonna hit those up and finish that off. But door gap's not too bad. It's a little tight. It shrank on me a little, but it's not connected on the bottom yet. So I'm gonna wait until I do the floor to really get it in there tight. As you can see, I left that piece a little long. This just kept blowing out. It's so thin. So I'm just gonna keep welding on it and try to get it filled in, but not bad. It looks better than the giant hole. So, and the door closes, so. But yep, got some adjustment to do on it. Other than that, I think it'll be all right. Next weekend, we'll finish that up, and we got to do the front. Fun times.